Push pins into cork or foam. This activity helps your child build strong, steady fingers and a precise tripod grasp, great for writing and cutting tasks. Show your child how to hold a pen using their thumb, index and middle fingers. Then push it into the board with gentle, focused pressure. They can outline letters, shapes or build a simple design. Start with soft foam and larger pens. You can guide their hand at first or let them press on a vertical surface like a wall easel. To increase the challenge, switch to smaller pens or use toothpicks with clay. Try outlining letters with close spacing for more control. If your child is sensitive to firm textures, start with very soft foam or use clay as the base. Let them use a pencil eraser for comfort. Push pin activities double as quiet fidget tools, great for building strength during transitions or free play. These finger movements support pencil grip, cutting with scissors, and opening small packages independently. Every gentle press builds strength, control, and independence. Keep practicing and creating.